Good evening, students. So today I am going to show you how to use Padlet. As what you can see from the screen, this is the Padlet website. Okay, and for our task tomorrow, for the for our first activity, I will need you guys to tell about your favorite restaurant and as well as some food that you love to eat there. Okay, so I'm going to share this link with you tomorrow, and you need to share about your favorite restaurant and the food that you love to eat there. So the only thing that you need to do is click this um, plus symbol. Okay, just click it once, and then it is going to show a subject. Like you can write about my my favorite. No, actually on the subject you put your name. For example, Nobert. So I'm just going to put my name there and attach some picture of the restaurant that you love. Okay, attach a picture of your favorite restaurant. So you have several choice here. You can upload, you can take a photo, or you can also put a link, or you can just use image search. For me, I would suggest you guys to use image search. Okay, it is going to show like this. So I'm just going to search for my favorite restaurant is KFC. Okay, and then I'm going to search it. Yeah, simple. So yeah, I'm going to attach this picture. Okay, and I'm going to write the caption. So the caption is going to be my favorite rest, or just simply put the caption there, KFC. Okay, write something beautiful. So in this section you need to write a proper sentence. My favorite restaurant is KFC. Or you can also spell the full name of the restaurant. So Kentucky Fried Chicken, and the food that I love to eat there is, for example, for me, I love to eat the chicken as well. Okay, it's you are only going to eat chicken, right, in KFC. So there is the fried chicken, or the chicken meal set. Okay, so after you have done that, you publish it. Okay, just publish, and then you can see your post on the Padlet. So no- as you can see here, you can drag around your post. Okay, my favorite restaurant is Kentucky Fried Chicken, KFC, and the food that I love to eat there is the chicken meal set. Okay, something like that. So students, that is your task for tomorrow. For our first activity, this is just a tutorial video on how to use Padlet. For some of you who haven't been exposed to Padlet yet, so that is why I make this video, to show you how to use Padlet. Okay, so I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in our class tomorrow. Take care, guys.